Let's have a look at 5 tips for wiring batteries on boats. Hello, I'm Andrew from Azeco. In this example we see 4 lithium batteries wired in parallel. In boating, particularly offshore, we often consider redundancy. So what happens if one of the batteries fails or shuts down? This could cause the fuse to blow and the boat would be without power. Tip 1. Split the batteries into banks. Create 2 battery banks which can be fused and switched independently. This means that the boat can continue to have power from 2 of the batteries while the problematic battery is investigated. Tip 2. Make sure the cables are the same length. Ensure these 4 positive cables are the same, and also these cables, and these negative cables. This ensures the same voltage drop and current distribution, which prolongs the life of the batteries. Tip 3. Use the correct size cable. Blue Sea publish a cable sizing guide which is available online. This ensures the correct cable is used for potential battery current and loads. Tip 4. Use the correct fuses. Again, Blue Sea have a fuse size guide to make sure you use the correct fuse. We normally recommend A&L fuses since they are available globally. Tip 5. Add monitoring. Adding monitoring helps you ensure the system is working well. We recommend a shunt style monitor with a display and Bluetooth. If you like this video, please subscribe.